Right, for this you want to get some white chocolate and melt it. Just get some sort of bowl or something, put some wax paper, baking paper down, and you want to get some Nutter Butter cookies. That's what they look like. They're awesome. So you get one and you dip this in the chocolate about halfway. Now just put it on the wax paper and leave it there to set. You can speed that up by just putting this in the fridge for about 5 minutes. Now get some shredded coconut. Just put it in a sealable bag. Get some yellow food colouring, just put 2 or 3 drops in. Or more. Seal the bag up and just shake this around. And that should have a little bit of a yellowy tinge to it. Now get a plate and get some peanut butter. Just put that in the middle. Now get some ice cream wafers and you want to push this straight down on it. Just get some of that shredded coconut that we put a little bit of yellow in. Just sprinkle some over that. Just get a lot of it and put it all over the shop. Now get your Nutter Butter cookie. Once that chocolate has set, and put it on there. Now this is the fun part. Now just get some writing icing. For this you want red, yellow and chocolate fudge. So just draw a mouth. And for the eyes, get the chocolate. And just get the yellow for a little halo. Just a really simple treat. Just away in a Manger cookies.
Simple